Yeah, so right now, you can see I'm not in my usual video area, but I am somewhere. I'm in a room with a library chair. Okay, well this video, I thought that I could show you my cat Zoe, but she's not here right now. So, I'll burp. Even though my mom doesn't want me to, because I really want to get a lot of views, and I have been. So, uh, oh my god. It was a huge burp. People would beat that probably, but that's a big burp for me. I need some water. Gosh. My eyes are getting water because I'm not used to burping. I burp once in a while, only like when I have burped like from food, but I barely do these videos, so. Please check out my channel, Anna Willett. I know you're watching. Just check out all my other videos. I'm going to try to make more cool videos instead of boring me talking videos. I'm going to see if I can try to get music in the background. If I can't, I'll just have my stereo playing in the background. Anyways, this is a kind of promotion thingy for my mom. She doesn't want me to do it, but I really think I should. If you guys have watched any of my other videos, you see that I've talked about this book, Amber Shadows and the Missing Wands, written by Wendy Willett. She's my mom. That's a very old picture of her. She looks way different now. She looks better now. Anyway, so this book is about magic and stuff. And Amber, this is her. That's Amber. She's trying to fight dark magic with white magic. And white magic, well, white magic is kind of stronger than that when you have 3 kids. Okay, so this is Amber, Mariana, and Jasper. Now, at first, when I first read this book, I couldn't read it because I didn't read it until I was like 10. But when I first started, the person saying like that, my mom had him first as Jocelyn, which I thought was a good name, the girls, but she changed it to Jasper. I'm not sure if it was that way, but when I was little, I used to think that. But I like the name Amber. I'm gonna talk to my mom's director because they're having a movie. They're making the movie. So I'm gonna talk to them about me being Amber, but I don't think I can because I'm not 14. Kidding. So yeah, guys. Oh, this camera's broken. Yeah, me and my brother were fighting, and I was trying to get him to stay out, and I kind of broke the screen. Yeah, well, she forgave me for it, but now see if you turn it on. It has that. You can't see anything. So, we'll have to get a new video camera and camera. Well, we don't have a video camera right now. Every video I've ever made has been on my mom's computer. because we don't have a video camera. My brother does, but he doesn't let me use it. Back to burping. Not burped. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching my video. Let's see. Alright, where's the 89 viewer? Wow, 92 views now. I didn't know that burping videos got so much popularity. Okay, so Alright, so I will be doing a burping video probably with Opel 1975. So, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye!